Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the exact image and confirming its resolution and format so scaling looks correct. Open the Settings or System Preferences now and navigate to Display or Personalization. This is where you control wallpapers. Make sure the image file is uncorrupted and in a folder you can quickly reach. Once done, have both the image and target display selected so you can apply changes immediately without hunting through menus or restarting apps. You now pick the image via Browse or choose File and preview how it fills the screen. This step prevents awkward cropping. Select the Fit option, Fill, Fit, Stretch, Center, Tile, or Span, because each affects composition differently and you want key subjects visible. If available, crop or reposition the photo to emphasize the subject. For multi-monitor setups, assign images per display. Once you confirm the preview looks right, apply the change so the system writes the new setting immediately. You finish by applying and locking the wallpaper settings, then inspect each monitor to ensure the image appears as intended. If it reverts, restart the computer to force the system to reload preferences. Make sure the image isn't being read from an unmounted external drive or restricted cloud folder. If the image looks blurry, convert to a supported format or resize to match screen resolution, because mismatch scaling is the usual cause of poor quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.